Okay, so I'm briefly going to go through the equation of a mid-segment on the coordinate plane real quick. Alright, so what we're looking at is, given triangle par, where T is the midpoint of side PA, Y is the midpoint of side PR, list the coordinates of the vertices. Let the coordinates of the vertices be the following: -2 10s, 4, -4, -6, -8. Find the equation of mid-segment TY. Now I'm going to do this using only one of the midpoints because, alright, that's how it's set up on the review. So I'm going to use T, which is the midpoint of side PA. So here's my triangle. Alright. Okay. So T is the midpoint of PA. Okay. So basically, remember, to find the midpoint, it's the average of the coordinates. It's x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. -2 plus 4 is 2, half of that is 1. 10 plus -4 is 6, half of that is 3. So 1, 3 is T, my midpoint. And now, to find the equation of the midsegment, which is going to pass through that, realize those lines are parallel. Alright? Which means they have equal slopes. Alright, so if I look at RA, I'm going from -6 over 4, so I'm going over 10. I'm going from -8 up to -4, so I'm going up 4. So that slope is 2 over 5. Alright? So now I know the slope of that is 2/5, passing through the points 1, 3. So y equals mx plus b. Alright, I replace the x and y, remember, from algebra 1 with a point. So the y is 3, the x is 1, and then the slope is the same, so 2/5 plus b. Alright, so now I got the equation 15/5 because I want to find the common denominator equals 2/5 plus b. How do I get rid of a plus 2/5? I subtract it, and b is 13 over 5. Y equals slope, which is 2/5 x, plus the b, which is 13 over 5. Alright, and that's how you do the equation of a midpoint. Now, if you wanted to, you could also get the midpoint over here. So PR, the midpoint of PR, which is y. -6, -2 is -8, half of that is -4. -8 plus 10 is 2, half of that is 1. And then you would just use those 2 points and find the slope. And guess what the slope of that is? 2 over 5. And then you do the same thing, you get the same equation. Alright, so I hope that helps. Be safe. Have a good Thanksgiving.